In today's video, we are going to learn about evil eye related sentences which are commonly spoken from English to Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Learn to speak multiple languages through the help of my channel videos. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe immediately and turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. Let's not make any delay in starting our session. Number 1. Evil eye. Now let's learn its translation in Hindi. Buri nazar. Buri nazar. Let's move on to Tamil. Tiya kannu. Let's move on to Telugu. Chedda kannu. Chedda kannu. And in Kannada, ketta kannu. Ketta kannu. Moving on to number 2, cast of the evil eye. Now let's learn its translation in Hindi. Buri nazar utarna. Buri nazar utarna. In Tamil, drishti kalikirathu. Now let's learn this in Telugu. Drishti tiyadam. Drishti tiyadam. And in Kannada, drishti tegeyuvudu. Drishti tegeyuvudu. Let's move on to number 3. Catch the evil eye. In Hindi, Buri nazar lagna. In Tamil, Kandrishti pattidichi or Kandrishti pattuvittadu. In Telugu, Drishti tagaladam. Drishti tagaladam. In Kannada, Drishti biluvudu. Drishti biluvudu. 4. Don't cast the evil eye on my car. In Hindi, मेरी कार पर बुरी नज़र मत डालो. Let's move on to Tamil. என்னோட கார் மேலே கண் வைக்காத. In Telugu, నా కార్ మీద కన్ను పెట్టద్దు. నా కార్ మీద కన్ను పెట్టద్దు. In Kannada, ನನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಹಾಕಬೇಡ or ನನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಿಡಬೇಡ. Let's move on to number 5. I caught the evil eye. I caught the evil eye. In Hindi, मुझे बुरी नज़र लगी है. எனக்கு கண் திருஷ்டி பட்டுடுச்சு or எனக்கு கண் திருஷ்டி பட்டு விட்டது. Now let's move on to Telugu. నాకు దృష్టి తగిలింది. నాకు దృష్టి తగిలింది. And in Kannada, ನನಗೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Now let's move on to number 6. You have caught the evil eye. You have caught the evil eye. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. तुम्हें बुरी नज़र लगी है. Now in Tamil, உனக்கு கண் திருஷ்டி பட்டுடுச்சு. In Telugu, నీకు దృష్టి తగిలింది. నీకు ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ತಗಲಿಂದಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ನಿನಗೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿನಗೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Now let's move on to the next one. My grandmother has cast off the evil eye. Let's learn to translate this in Hindi. मेरी दादी ने नज़र उतारा. मेरी दादी ने नज़र उतारा. In Tamil, என்னோட பாட்டி दृष्टि கழிச்சாங்க. Let's learn this in Telugu. మా అమ్మమ్మ దృష్టి తీశారు. Already I have posted the video based on relationship translation. Please check out. అమ్మమ్మ is for maternal grandmother. నాయనమ్మ is for paternal grandmother. Now let's move on to Kannada. ನನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ತೆಗೆದಳು. ನನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ತೆಗೆದಳು. So how was today's video? Was it interesting or informative? Please do comment me. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. Watch my channel's many other videos which are available in my channel playlist. Stay connected to explore the journey of multiple language learning. So that's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you all again in the next video.